Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm here to demonstrate on 2x4 decoder, and my name is Alhassan Kabori. First and foremost, need to go to the plexus, and go and pick a decoder. That's where we drop it into the system. As you can see, we have 2 inputs and 2 outputs, but we are dealing with 2x4. So in order to change that, we have to go and disable the enable button, which is therefore going to reduce it from 2 to 1. But as you can see, there's still 2 outputs over there, and we need 4 instead of 2. So this time round, we are going to the bits and we are changing it from 1 to 2. As you can see, the size has increased a bit, and now we have 1 and 4 over there. But naturally, it's 2 over there, but you might see it as 1. So now let's go for the outputs. Since it's 2x4 outputs, we are going to need 4 outputs. So let's go for the third one. And that's for the third. Let's go for the fourth. And that's for the fourth. Yes. And let's drag it a bit forward to make it a bit even. Now it is stationed. Let's now trace the bits to the output. Let's go. Right there. And we drag it to the center. We need it to be at the center. So let's go for the second one. Like that, a bit up. Then we drag it to the center again. Let's go for the third one. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Then we drag it over there. Now let's do the last one. Keep on following. That's it. We drag it to the last output. Now, since it is all done, now we need to go for what? As you can see, it's 2 over there. So now let's go for the inputs. Let's place the input right over here. And if you drag it over there, we have to time it very well, my people. So let's drag it down a bit. Let me delete this. No, alright. Let's do it this way. We drag it a bit forward. Yes. And now we drag it up right at where the bit is. As you can see, they said incompatible with, which shows that here is 1, but here is 2. As I told you earlier, you see it as 1 over there, but it's actually 2. So you have to change it from 1 to 2 to make it compatible. As you place it as 2, you can see that now data is able to flow through it. As you can see, data is now able to flow through it. So now let's start decoding it. If it's on 0, 0, you can see that the first one is moving. If it's on 0, 1, you can see the second one is moving. So basically, we've decoded the whole entire system, and this is how to create a 2x4 decoder. Thanks for joining my class. Hope you subscribe and follow.